Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's and I have a really fun Halloween swag kit. It is similar to one we did last year that sold out, and it is including these adorable eyeball stems. So I don't know if you've gotten these from us before, but they are so fun. They come with the little eyeballs on the little part that stretches out, and I'm just fluffing it really quick, and we're gonna pair it with this really cute black and orange checkered spiral stem. We're gonna make this like we've made every other swag kit. So if I go too fast, head on over to YouTube. There's about 10 of these made up already, and you can watch me do it a little bit slower, but you guys have made these before, so you know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lay them one on top of each other, and I'm gonna bring a little bit kind of down. Now, if you're doing this on a lantern, which is just as cute as like a boxwood wreath or a grapevine, then you're gonna do everything the opposite of what I'm doing. So right now for the wreath, I've got it all kind of going up. Lantern, you're just gonna flip everything around and go the opposite way. So here we go. How cute is that, you guys? I'm gonna open up these little spirals a little bit more too. Now we're ready to add ribbon. So first up, I chose this really nice orange with a black and white edge. I just thought it tied in that black and white or black and orange spiral stem. We're gonna make a couple loops of that one. And then next I chose all the fun colors of Halloween with that little bit of a fuzzy edge. This one is so fun. We're gonna make a couple loops of that one as well. Take your wire, tie it right there in the middle. And then you're gonna tie that onto your stem right where that gap was. So again, you're putting it on your lantern. You want to kind of hold it down, tie it with your tails going that way. You're putting it on a wreath. You're going to do the opposite. You're just going to twist it on there with more going up towards the top. It's totally up to you which way you want to do it. But the reason I love these is because maybe you have these boxwoods at home that you switch out like summer and Valentine's Day. You could easily do this Halloween swag kit with the eyeballs for double doors and then switch it out when fall comes. So if you maybe want to put Halloween up for like 2 weeks, then you could simply switch it out super quick. How fun is that? I'm definitely gonna, I'm gonna bring an eyeball back to the center of that bow. How fun. Make sure they all show up really well. And now let's cut our tails. I found the scissors. Here we go. Chop those off. And we are done. You guys, don't miss out on this one. It's now up on shopdeeslouisville.com. It's in the fall and Halloween tab. Go get yourself an adorable Halloween eyeball swag kit.